SERV Stock Wednesday. In this 1 minute video, I'm covering technical analysis and price predictions. So where is Serve Robotics stock going from 18th of September and onward? Looking at it, I'm genuinely just super biased towards the bullish side. But the crazy part is, that I would not be buying unless there is a clean double break. And just for context, all I'm using here is a strategy that's previously delivered thousands of predictions. And I'm telling you all this because it is the truth and I've documented everything. So with Serve Robotics, all I'd really like to see is a break above 897. And we were super close, but it did not happen. So I want to see a break above it, pull down and a break above it again. So if that starts happening, then I'm chilling. So let me just move this to the side. And I'll just keep waiting, man. Like, matter of fact, this is actually going to get deleted if we break below the 624-ish lows. And I'll still keep you updated. So if you want to learn to achieve like long-term consistent income without fear, just click the first link in the description. There is a free course.